Hi guys, just thought I'd give you a quick update on my latest video that should just be live now on the main channel. So I've been filming with the STS-28, love this by the way, it's really cool. And I've just been doing the outro, so let me turn the camera so you can see what's going on here. Whenever I film my videos, I like to have a different section of the studio, so there's going to be occasions when I have to move. I need to get rid of that home gym. I need to move the signs, the home gym, we have to get the lights out, and then I might do something over there, then I might have something over here as well. Lots of different things have been going on. So today's plan of action is just me filming with this pressure washer lance. So I've done all the voiceover, I've done all the footage, I've been out and about, everything's all compiled, I've done the edit, and then it gets to the very end where I've just got 10% to go, which is the outro, and then I'm finished. But I've been really struggling with this, so I put the camera over here, and I was just doing some talky bits a minute ago, and I kept getting my words wrong, and I'll play some clips for you now because this is just embarrassing. Oh, why, hello, fly. Are you gonna, really? I'll tell you what, if that fly comes in front of my camera lens one more time, I can hear it, I can't see it. Previously in a, okay, there you go. I'll tell you what, no fly in this world is ever going to be a match for Aventus Blast Cam by Infinity Wax. I love this, what you see on camera is everything looking just wonderful, like look at this, it looks great on camera. But when you walk over there, like when you come this side of the camera and you just see a constant mess, or even down here, it's just rubbish everywhere in this studio. It's just that as long as it looks good on camera there, I'm quite happy. And no, I'm not happy with that because I need to turn it a bit there. Right, now I'm happy. So this is when I'm doing my little talking bits. It takes me, what, 4 or 5 attempts at least to get the lines out. So I go through a different expression. I will look at a piece of content and go, right, shall I talk very quickly through this bit to speed it up? Is this a boring segment? Do I have to try and get the words out a lot faster? Or do I need to slow it down because I want people to process things? And then I try and go, well, shall I put an energetic twist on it and try and raise the pitch a bit just to keep people engaged, or do I turn it down? There's different ways that I like to film with the camera on, and it's frustrating because I'm trying to be a perfectionist and I don't need to be. I just need to press record and say what comes from the heart. But I think when you've got the lighting, the camera and everything, and you can see on the screen, I think having the screen kind of throws you off sometimes, so that's very annoying as well. I like to fold the screen away, but then when I do fold the screen away, the camera goes out of focus and I just can't win. So that's why I'm hoping the DJI is going to be a lot better, because I think I just need to forget about the autofocus, because the focus on these Sonys, they are very good, but it does require a bit of patience. I really struggled with this video. I'm not going to lie, it was quite difficult for me to film because there's only so much engagement you can possibly give off the base of one particular accessory like this. When I'm doing my pressure washer videos, there's a lot of things to consider. So I have more things that I need to talk about, like the hose length, the power cable. We talk about the weight of the machine, how easy is it to get in and out of a vehicle or wheel it around. There's so many different factors that I need to add in. And it's very easy for me to talk about things like that because that's all I've been doing for many years. But with these stubby guns, I just felt that this was just a difficult video to film. Do you know what? I'm finished here. Turn my microphones all off. I've got a DJI Mic 1, I've got a DJI Mic 2 with this camera, and I've got the Sony there. It's all go. It's very expensive. I've spent probably about 3 grand in the last 12 months on tech just for filming. Like even in the studio, the softbox lights cost money. I've got 1,000,001 different tripods because I'm trying to speed up the way I film. Instead of filming different angles with one tripod and then I've got to adjust the legs and then adjust it again and again and again, I've constantly got GoPros on monopods now, which is a quicker way of adjusting the height on a tripod, which it makes life so much easier. And that's why I've gone for this DJI. I just needed to get something that I could quickly press record, and it doesn't look like it sticks out too much. So when I've got my Sony camera, I tell you what, if this was my Sony, my arm will be down here right now because It's so heavy when you've got all the different lenses as well. And that's the good thing about this. I cannot change the lens. I've got a little wide angle thing I can chuck on the top. But with the Sony, I got many different camera lenses to get those crisp, wonderful shots that you see in the videos. And I just feel that I need to tone it down a bit. If I'm going to get anywhere on this channel and really treat it like a serious business, which I'm trying to do, then I've got to film content a lot quicker and get it out. Right, so that video is out now on the channel. Go watch it, and you'll probably watch the video back and you'll go, yeah, Dave was struggling on that bit. Was he running out of things to say, or was he trying to get it up to 8 minutes? The reason why we have to have 8 minutes is because we can put one mid-roll ad within the content. Now, YouTube has got this tool where they can put multiple ads in, but you know where they're going to be placed, but they kind of got this AI system now, so they might be, depends on who's watching it. If you're watching it on the telly, there might be a few more ads. If you're watching it on a mobile phone, there might be less ads. It just depends on who you are, what you're watching, why you're watching. They know exactly how you move. That's the crazy thing. They know your behaviors. So if I was to go onto YouTube late at night, instantly it will put down like the sort of music that I listen to. It won't be car cleaning videos. But if I go onto YouTube in the morning, it'll be car cleaning videos, because they know that when I'm on in the morning, I'm researching other content from other creators going, oh, have they done something there that I've missed? Have I missed a trick or something? So it's always nice to see what the opposition are doing. I don't think there's ever been really serious dramas with any other creators. I'm just very curious about how other channels do things, because if I see a small channel that may have got some views on something, I look at it and I don't go, oh, I'm going to copy that. I look at it and go, how did they pull that off? What did they do that triggered that person to click the video? Not only click the video, they've got to watch it all the way to the end. And I love that. I geek out on stuff like that. So I couldn't care less about YouTube Shorts and little things like that, and TikTok. I ain't got time for that rubbish. But I am still posting on there, but for me, I just don't care. It's luck of the draw. You could have the best video ever on TikTok and the odds are it won't ever get seen. Right, I think that's about it. I'm going to turn these lights off because I've got some serious editing to do now. If I'm going to get this video out tonight, which I think I can do actually, you know. I think it's going to be a good video regardless. It's just, I prefer filming the disaster details. So when it's me and Matt and we're filming, we're having such a laugh, and it's just, life just seems so much better. When you've got your mates and you're filming, it's a blast. It really is. Yeah, doing this business on your own is very lonely. So I'm going to call it a day there, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.